Hi everyone, welcome to Shamel. In this demo, we'll explore how to create call sheets. Once you're done with your schedule, navigate to your project page and hit Create Call Sheets. Make sure that the import option is turned on to benefit from all the information you have in the schedule. Here we have our day one call sheet, and that includes all the scenes from day one, including all the information, cast, pages, and locations, in addition to the characters from those scenes, and the advanced schedule for day two. You can easily add scenes or delete them from the schedule. Let's add scene 2. And once that's added, it will be reflected also on the talent table with any additional characters. And if we delete that, it would update accordingly. I'll scroll up and fill some of the production information. I'll start with the Basecamp address and benefit from the autocomplete feature we have in Shamel. Once I update the Basecamp address, my weather information would be updated based on the date we have and the address I inputted. Once I finish typing my information, I can easily adjust the text, the size, the alignment, or the color as well. I can double check my information in the schedule and talent. And on the second page, I can input all my crew members. I can easily apply a universal call time with one click, and then adjust any specific call times for specific individuals based on the plan of my production. Have my total crew and talent count as well. Scrolling up to the top menu, I can add additional call sheets for day 2 and until the end of my production based on the schedule. I can update my production dates. I can customize the look of my call sheet based on the needs of my production. I also can manage the talent here, add or remove rows as well, and finally download the call sheet for distribution. Shamel provides an efficient, easy process for call sheets. Thank you.